everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start by practicing syllables. So I'm going to say two word parts, two syllables, and then you're going to repeat it. We'll clap them, and then we'll blend the word. Here we go. Candle, candle. Present, present. After, after. Doctor, doctor. Snowing, snowing. Flower, flower. Mother, mother. Good job. All right, we're going to get ready to punch out some ending sounds. Remember, you're dragging from your left to your right and then punching out just the sound. The word is fuzz. Fuzz. Neck, neck. Mess, mess. Lead, lead. Ham, ham. Six, six. Cap, cap. Take, take. And the last one is hill, hill. So with those L sounds at the end, we need to hill. It's a little bit tricky, but be careful not to say hill, because I know sometimes that's easy to do. Okay, now I'm going to say the word and you're going to clap out the syllables. So I will say the word and then clap out the syllables. Candy, candy. Afraid, afraid. Sister, sister. Insect, insect. Basket, basket. Friday, Friday. People, people. Master, master. Good. Okay, get your fists ready. We're going to do phoneme substitution. The word is fan. Change f to pl. Plan. The word is rack. Change r to bl. Black. The word is tub. Change t to cl. Club. The word is moss. Change m to gl. Gloss. The word is wag. Change w to fl. Flag. Good. Okay, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and we're going to add the beginning sound, the onset, and put them together to make a new word. The word is ought. Add pl to the beginning. Plot. The word is ed. Add sl to the beginning. Sled. The word is end. Add bl to the beginning. Blend. The word is add. Add gl to the beginning. glad. The word is ash. Add fl to the beginning. Flash. Good. Fix this just a second. My computer's a little shaky today. All right, now we're going to delete phonemes. The word is bleach. Without bl, the word is each. The word is plant. Without pl, the word is ant. The word is sly. Without sl, the word is I. The word is cluck. Without cl, the word is uck. The word is flat. Without fl, the word is at. Good job today.